Imagine managing your farm efficiently, using only what you need. What if one area needed more fertilizer while another needed less? Enter variable rate agriculture. Many farmers still spread the same fertilizer everywhere. But we now know crops thrive unevenly. Some zones boast rich soil, while others have water retention issues. Some produce a bumper yield, and others lag behind. Variable rate agriculture transforms traditional farming. It ensures each area gets precisely what it requires. Step 1 is to collect essential information. Satellites first scan the entire field, revealing crop differences. Advanced satellite imaging creates a detailed field map. Next, drones take over. They capture close-up images, discovering crop stress and identifying variability before it's visible to the naked eye. Imagine a drone zigzagging over fields, showcasing their condition. Then, we add soil data. Sensors and maps gather vital information on water, nutrients, and soil condition. Picture a soil sensor digging in, sending data live to your screens. Next comes the magic. All data inputs feed into smart software. This artificial intelligence generates a prescription map, indicating exactly what each part of the field requires. Visualize a computer dynamically generating precise prescription zones. Now, it's time for the machines to act. The equipment follows the prescription, applying more fertilizer in high-demand areas and less where it's not needed. It adjusts seed rates too, all automatically. Imagine a smart tractor gliding through the rows, optimizing every inch of the field. The results are impactful. Lower costs from using only what's necessary. Less waste by avoiding over-application. Higher yields per acre due to tailored approaches. Ultimately, this means better profit margins for farmers. Key technologies driving these changes today include satellites, drones, soil sensors, GPS machinery, variable rate equipment, and artificial intelligence. Visualize a future with smarter farming practices. One field prompts different decisions, tailored to each area's needs. So, would you consider implementing variable rate agriculture on your farm? Your crops, and your bank account, might just thank you for it.